one of the early meetings, the structural engineers from Brown Engineering were out on site. Michael Etzel's there. He points to these logs like, what can we do with this? Can we use these? And the engineer's like, well, of course. Well, your problem is, we're going to specify these. They have to be graded to a certain structural capacity. There's lots that's involved with that. Graders are in lumber mills. And so the challenge was, okay, how are we going to get these things milled on site and graded on site? And so we called up Western Wood Products Associations, the local grading association here, the professionals that go out to all the mills that supply all the lumber for all the lumber yards that are around. Luckily, we connected with a gentleman who happens to live about 20 minutes away from the winery site, loves wine, and was willing to do site grading. And I think it's a provision in their rules that it's possible. It's not something that typically gets done. And so not only do they have this naturally felled pile of logs, a wood miser to mill them up, but we struck up a relationship with a wood grader who would come out. Not every piece that got milled up ended up getting used. He was able to direct what could be selected. So it was graded, met all the structural specifications, and then fabrication of these heavy timber trusses, happened on site, chainsaws and drills, and was able to get put up. It was a real connection between all of these parties, the engineers, us as designers, the owners, to make is a sort of magic happen. And they're really serendipitous for us to be able to use the same trees that were used to build the barn originally, we were able to use to build the new structures. And so there was a real connection, historical resource connection between the barn and the new buildings that you can feel when you're out there, because it's the same type of species of wood, and it's old wood, new wood. Couldn't be more happy with that it turned out that way.